Today, we're creating a stunning bridal up. It's super easy to master. Let's dive in. First, divide your hair into two main sections. Take two small sections from the top on each side and create a two-strand twist. Set them aside for now. Gather the hair and secure it into a ponytail with an elastic. Now, bring down those two twists we made earlier and secure them together with the rest of the hair. Repeat the same steps on the right side. Gently pull and loosen the hair to create more texture and dimension. Next, take the gathered hair and braid it into a simple three-strand braid. Loosen the braid, then wrap it around into a bun and secure it with pins. Adjust the shape slightly. Then add some fresh or dried flowers as an accessory and you're all set. I hope you love this look. See you in the next one.